Hello everyone, friggin' Isan here. Welcome to another reaction to Chainsaw Man. Uh, got a Patreon, friggin' Isan, $5 a month to this and a bunch of unedited, uncut reactions. I've started posting some anime reactions up there on Patreon. Probably just gonna be on there for a while until I can figure out how to get them on YouTube. Obviously edited and cut and stuff. But yeah, if you want to check out the Patreon, it's down in the description, and it'd be very helpful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into Chainsaw Man chapter 226, Lucas Home. Where are where are all the devils? Bang. Yeah. Bang bang bang. Gaga. Bang 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 bang. Yeah. Hey, come up already. Show me your look of defeat. Oh, locusts, I'm guessing. Well, oh man, if I couldn't swim, I'd be screwed right now. Hey, Rize. I'm out for a sec. Upsy daisy. Cough. Cock. How'd you like it, Yura? This is my perfect plan. Surrender. Zab Zabi me Denji. Cheetah. That, God, like he actually lost an arm. Did he kill it though? I think he killed it, but he lost an arm. Oh, his head's still attached though, maybe. That was really the entire chapter. Wow. Um, that was the chapter, I guess. Uh, not was I was expecting at all, and we're already out of hell, so uh, yeah, just not what I was expecting. Uh, but like, yeah, I just I don't know. There's fucking nothing in this chapter. Uh, not a lot to say. So this is gonna be kind of a frankly short video, unless you want me to rant for like 8 minutes. Um, but yeah, without further ado, that was Chainsaw Man chapter 226. Uh, you know, cool to see a new demon, the Locust demon, I assume. Unless it's but there's nothing here. Yoru got fucked up. Yeah. Anyway, we'll have to see what happens. Not a lot of thought in this video. Oh well. Catch you in the next one. Have a good day, night, afternoon, whatever, and peace.